Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Reinvent Technology Partners, otherwise known now as Joby Aviation. This is ticker symbol JOBY. The reason why it's got these two names, the two ticker symbols, whatever, is that this was a Spac deal that took place. This was Reinvent Technology Partners. I believe the ticker symbol is RTP, and now they have had a deal with Joby, and now the company, the ticker symbol, everything is Joby Aviation. So if you didn't know what was going on, now you know a little bit more. But as you guys can see, today, Wednesday, August 11th, was the first trading day for Joby under the new name, new symbol, all this stuff. And the stock was doing pretty well. People are excited about this SPAC. It was up 26% in a single day. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about what exactly was going on. What is this company? What is this new ticker symbol? And what maybe you can expect from them in the future as well. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. And subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're getting really close to 900 subscribers. By the time you guys see this, we might already be at 900. I don't know, that'd be awesome. But either way, we're trying to hit 1,000, so you guys can help us get there a little bit faster by clicking that button real quick. With that being said, here we go, getting right into this one. So obviously, you know, again, first day that this Joby Aviation is now trading on the stock market. Throughout the week, obviously, as this kind of deal was announced, it's been a very good week if you were in RTP beforehand, going from 950 up to 1340. But even if you just got in at the beginning of today, going from 1070 to where we closed at, you'd still be up 24%. So even if you just believe in Joby or want to be a part of Joby, you could still be doing pretty well already. We're going to be taking a look at this article from Seeking Alpha called Reinvent Technology Partners Stock Pops some 10% ahead of its $6.6 billion Joby Aviation deal closing. So RTP popped again. They were at the end of a nearly 5-month high as the SPAC prepared to close its planned merger with air taxi service Joby. $6.6 billion market cap here is what this deal is taking place at. RTP rose to as high as 1065 before pulling back slightly to ending the session at 1050, ahead of 9.5% gains for the session and its highest close since March. Shareholders last week approved the special purpose acquisition company's proposed merger with Joby, which expects to take over the RTP's New York Stock Exchange listing after Tuesday's close. Again, that means today, Wednesday open, is when Joby did take over. California-based Joby aims to launch an air taxi service in 2024 to using electric-powered vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts. I don't know why I couldn't say that. eVTOLs. The company boasts that its VTOLs can transport a pilot and 4 passengers at up to 200 miles per hour and as much as 150 miles on a single charge. That's pretty sick. That sounds pretty crazy. Avoiding ground traffic while promoting greener transportation. I mean, that'd be pretty crazy. You see all the traffic. You're in a big city. You know, I'm living on like the West Coast now. I'm hitting more traffic than I ever have in my life. Be able to hop in a little freaking helicopter, an e-helicopter, and just zoom past everybody. That'd be pretty cool. I can't imagine how much that's going to cost, how feasible it's even going to be with all the different laws, regulations, insurance, everything, and then talking people into it. I don't know. It's going to be a little crazy. Obviously, right now, it's still 2021, and they're not talking about this until 2024, so you're talking about, at minimum, a 3-year investment, and right now, a lot of the new money in the market, a lot of the retail investors and everything, these are people that are not making and not trying to make 3-year investments, so I do think that will be a little bit tough for Joby. Obviously, it's awesome. You know, their stock price is running up. They'll be able to maybe sell off some shares and get some cash to probably reinvest in this stuff, because it's probably going to be very expensive, and they're probably going to be losing money for a while. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like a very long-term play, and then even if it does start up in 2024, you know, that's saying that there's no hiccups, everything goes perfectly as planned. Who knows how profitable, how many customers, anything. There's so many questions. I mean, this is like you're really locked in for the long term with this one. But if you do think this is the future, if you do like this company, the team, whatever, could be a good long-term play. The company boasts, we already went over that. RTP is a SPAC launched by LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman and Zynga co-founder Mark Pincus, while Joby had previous backing from Toyota. Joby also had what it calls an enhanced relationship with Uber, having previously bought the company's Uber Elevate aerial ride-sharing business. The SPAC merger also includes $835 million of private placement led by Uber billionaire Seth Klarman's Baupost Group, and funds and accounts managed by BlackRock, Fidelity, and Bailey Gifford. Despite Monday's rally, RTP is still 38.2 below the $17 a share that it peaked at intraday on February 16th, when the kind of the Joby deal first broke, or that the rumblings of the Joby deal first broke. But again, this is a long-term play, so we'll have to see where the stock ends up at if they are able to get back to these February levels. Because I mean, honestly, even if you bought it at the very, very tip, at this point, you're only down 14%. Now, I say only 14%. That's not good, but you were down way, way more. And at least things are trending in the right direction now. Joby is there. Joby has taken over. And if you do believe in them for the long term, maybe you can eventually start making your money back. And that's only if you bought at the very, very tip. If you bought pretty much anywhere else, you're probably at least back to break even now. If not, you made a bunch of money. If you were, I mean, look at this, guys. You had February, what is this? You had all of March until August. You had 5 months to accumulate. If you believed in this company and you were accumulating, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, you had a chance to get so many shares as this traded flat for 5 months, and you'd be up so much money right now. I mean, that's what you got to do. If you believe in a company and it's trading flat, that's honestly a great thing, because that means you get to load up, you get to make a bunch of money, save a bunch of money, load it into shares, pile it into shares, and then when it does eventually pop, you make way more money than you ever would have if this thing would have kept popping back in February or something like that. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. This is all the talk about RTP, Joby, J-O-B-Y, all of that, so you guys hopefully know a little bit more about what's going on now. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of J-O-B-Y. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.